mash a bus pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to another video. Today's vlog is a bit all over the place, if I do say so myself. But when are my vlogs not all over the place? Like, they're always chaotic, to be honest. Like, they're never planned, and it's just always something, very much something. Anywho, today is Sunday and I'm home and I'm chilling, and normally on days like this I like to unwind and do a little bit of self-care and all of that stuff. You know, today I decided that I was gonna put on a wig because I was not feeling it. After this, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm going to, you know, moisturize, spray with some nice clean good body Dossier. So if you don't know what Dossier is a perfume brand, a new perfume brand that basically creates scents from luxury classics like Tom Ford, YSL, Gucci, Chanel, Versace. Did I miss any? I'm sure I did, but at a fraction of the cost. So this is what the packaging looks like, and when you open it up, it comes with their little flyer which tells you which scent this is inspired by. So the scent that I got is, I don't really know how to pronounce it, and it also comes with a sample size bottle, so in case you don't like how this one smells, you can send it back, free returns, full refund, all of that. This scent is actually inspired by Versace's Dylan Blue, and let me tell you something, I tried it, and I've tried the actual Versace Dylan Blue before, and this smells very, very, very identical to it. You mean to tell me I can get Versace Dylan Blue for $29.99? Like, if you ain't hopping on the Dossier wave, what are you doing? If you want to go on Dossier website, make sure you use my coupon code, which is AndImShelby10, which is on the screen right here, and you can get 10% off your order. With that being said, let's get straight into this vlog. So guys, not put me in that vlog looking like this. Today, girl is gonna finally get her nails done. For the last couple of months I've been doing press-ons, but you know, good body should need to start the nails now. But no acrylic, just gel X. I've never done gel X before. Nothing, so but I don't know, but she gonna freestyle, coming out idea.
Do not.
So I can't show me, so I just have to show the station.
Hold on, I'm not supposed to set the setup.
Yeah, supposed to look a setup, so yeah, enjoy, bye. I just came from a date with my baby. I'm gonna put a video that I did on TikTok. I'll insert that. Maybe not. But anyway, I just picked up a package. Well, actually this package got picked up a long time ago, but I'm just seeing it. It's from Dossier. So you know, girl, get some new fragrances. I love Dossier so much. Like, their fragrances are top tier, and it would really, really, really convince me to like buying the scent that these scents are inspired by when I can afford it. Until then, I will just work with what I got. So I'm gonna open it up and see what I got and see which scent I'm going to be using for the next couple of days.
Cause I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be out this place. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know. How many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. You look good, we cannot
went through the, I don't understand how night come down so fast. Like it came down extremely fast. Anyways, I picked out like 2 male scents and the rest of them are female scents. And the 2 male scents, I can't remember. I think one is from Versace and the other one is Creed. I have the Versace on this hand and the Creed on this hand. The Creed smells a little bit more manly. Anyways, Maggie went to my father and one to my boyfriend. So there's that. When you guys see like other vlogs or other videos, you'll see me reviewing them and stuff. But yeah, that is that. I'm gonna take this wig off and yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog for today. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm going back to Portland tomorrow, so I guess I will take you guys on that journey. And let's pray that when I pick up this camera tomorrow, I don't start off by saying so guys, because that is my specialty and I really need to stop, because every time I'm editing, I'll hear it and I cringe and I'm like, it can't sound like this, girl. Let me just, all right, I'm gone, bye. So let's not start this segment with so guys. It is the next day, I think, and I am going back to Portland today, but first I am getting lunch at Green Gourmet. Now if I want to say I don't like how the food tastes or whatever, I like their bowls, so that's why I come here. I don't really like nothing else from them still. So this is grilled chicken, some, I think that's like some potato salad, some plantain, some, I think a rice and peas under there. So, and this is like a mango something. Yeah, bon appetit.
Hours later.
So guys, the last time I came here, they've never had no cheesecake, and I had one in there. Yeah, in this one that they said was sold, but this time so this time I'm getting my cheesecake. He promised me that I'll get my cheesecake this time.
We don't break promises around here, right? Never.
Never break promises. Good, good. My sister, may I get it? I gotta hurry up before this bus leaves me.
Napkin and a fork.
Ah, home at last. Say hello to the people.
Hi, people. I'm having cheesecake.
Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I need to go to a barber. This is getting out of hand.
I just did.
Must be nice. I wish I was here. How much did I do?
Tomorrow.
I just did a haul a while ago for this brand called Commonly. Okay, I just filmed it and I'm very, very upset because everything big. Like 2 or 3 of the things out of 10 things fit. But I don't know how the company will take that. I don't know if them still going to take the video. And me not pay customs for them send my size. Actually, they don't even have my size because I size small and I wear extra small. But I really thought I could have get out with some of the small them. But apparently not. Apparently girl needs to put on some more pounds before she can start wearing small. So until then, I will just stay in my extra small zone. I don't feel like I must just take clothes and then go after them. Like, that is a waste of money to me. So this is what over there is looking like with the bag. Because the couch is supposed to be behind me, but I had to move it over there because I never have nowhere else to film. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on back my fan now. And I'm going to pack up these clothes, and then I'm just going to see. I'm going to try and edit, because to be honest, how I did this haul was like a me rating my own clothes. So you know, like when I have Shaquille or somebody else rating my outfit, I rated my own outfit. So you know, kind of trying to do like a split screen thing. If you watch one of my old videos with me like dancing, it was like me versus my twin, and both of us were on the screen at the same time, as in me and myself. So I kind of tried to do that again, just to like give it some spice, but we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to have to do over the whole haul. So pray for me, fingers crossed, because I don't want to do over this haul, in the name of Jesus. So I'm going to go for my laptop and see if it can work. Okay, so this is me trying. This is the first clip, and I'm trying to merge it with this clip. This one, the exposure is way too bright, so I'm going to need to fix that. I'm actually going to fix that no, because I'm going to like crop, and then I'm going to put it on that top layer. There we go. So both of them are right there. You can't see it right now, but there is a harsh line down the middle that I can see. So I am going to feather the edges so it can blend properly. Alright, so I'm going to like slow down that part. This is the part I want to slow down, because I realized that I was chatting too much over here, and I don't want, you know, old girl over here to get upset. So let me do that, bring that down, and then I am going to go to time remapping, and then make it a lot slower. I did it. Now watch. Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna start off a bit.
Yes. Yes. Zoom out. Also, why are we yellow? Let me fix that. Right. That's what I thought. Because why were we yellow? Ladies and gentlemen, for the past like week and a half, my nose piercing has been acting up. Let me see if you guys. Let me zoom in. It has a bump. I am going to actually change the nose ring to a better quality one, and I'm going to clean it with some wound wash. I got this from eBay. It is the Simply Saline First Aid Antiseptic Wound Care 3-in-1 spray. So I'm going to heat up some of that, clean it while I sterilize this new one in some alcohol. And yeah, I don't know how much I can film because the battery literally dead. Probably I'll use my phone and film that part, or I'll come back when I'm done. So that's what we're gonna do now. That's the one I'm going to put in my nose now.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast.
I am a horrible vlogger. I think the last thing I vlogged was when I was trying to put in the gold piercing. I did this. It took me an hour. I just could not find the hole. Eventually I found the hole. This is what we're looking like. My skin is very oily, just excuse that. Yep, Jesus. Watch evidence, I'm gonna wash my face it. So that's in now. And I also, well, I put the gold septum ring in the next day because I decided, listen, I can't do all that in a one day. It also took me an hour because I could not screw the ball on for the life of me. I tried to get tweezers to hold the ball, to drop out. And the last time I remember, like last year when I tried to take out this septum ring, I had to use gloves. So who decided to go for gloves? Because of the nails and the gloves, it just was not working out. I had to put the gloves on the tweezers and try to do one bag of something. Anyways, that took me an hour. But this is what it looks like. We'll go to funny. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. It has a vibe. It's a really good vibe. I'm not lie. The gold, I'm not gonna lie, it gets some points. Okay, this septum ring is bigger than my other one, silver one that I had in. Not the ring itself, but the balls. The balls are bigger than the other one that I had, so it's a little bit harder to flip up and flip down. The other one, because I just simply zoop and take it out, but this one I realized I have to, you know, like push it in. That's that for the piercing updates. I just think I really needed to change that ring. They did say I should wait like 6 months before I changed the ring, but I couldn't wait anymore. Finger actually hurt me because I feel like I lift up the nail. Anyways, I've been cleaning it twice a day like I should have been all this time. I stopped for like 2 months. It doesn't have the bump anymore. So now I'm going to put on my wig. I had messed up the lace. So the last wig video that I did, that's the wig I'm reinstalling right now. But this time I'm gonna try to put on some glue. So I got this glue from Hairs JA. Is it Hairs JA or Hairs Z JA? I don't know which one it is, but this is a hold the lace glue. This is what it looks like. And I also have a lace remover because apparently that glue there very strong. I don't know yet, but we will see. So I have the lace remover. Yeah, I also got a lace tint, but it was too dark. I ended up getting one of my friends, so I can't show you that because I already gave it to her. Make sure you go follow them and go get your lace glue and lace glue remover. Let's just get into this wig, okay? This is what the hair ended up looking like. I think I am not a fan of frontals anymore. I'm beginning to like closures a lot more. So let's pretend that this is a closure because I hate how this side looks. So, you know, let's just put that back there because this area right here, perfect. Because if you watch that last video, the one where my boyfriend did my voiceover, this wig was looking like a hot mess. I had no baby hairs here. I don't know what I was trying to do, but I resurrected it, and this is what we're looking like now. And I feel like I look like a baddie. Okay, worse, my microblading look good, my lashes look good. A big up piece I gave for the lashes once again. Like, girl, you don't know. Bet you every one of them gonna spoil. Ah, okay. We're giving away some tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pair. And half in the fridge.